One afternoon, Omar was doing his homework.
What's that? It's Arabic homework. I want to learn the Huroof Tahaji, but it's too difficult. Don't worry, Omar. I'll help you learn every letter from Alif to Ya.
Come along and sing with me. Huroof Tahaji, 1, 2, 3. 28 letters side by side. Let's learn that with pride. Alif stands up straight and tall. Ba has 1 dot down below. Ta has 2 dots up on top. Tha has 3 dots in a row. Jim curls under like a smile. Ha breathes softly, calm and light. Ha clears its throat, a scratchy sound. 3 little cousins all in sight. Come along and sing with me. Huroof Tahaji, 1, 2, 3. 28 letters side by side. Let's learn Arabic with pride. Dal is short and sits down low. Dal has 1 dot buzzing pe. Ra goes rolling, it says. Zay adds a dot and hums with zay. Seen has teeth like a little comb. Sheen has dots, a sh-sh-sh song. Shad is round and puffs out strong. Dad is Arabic's own special song. Come along and sing with me. Huroof Tahaji, 1, 2, 3. 28 letters side by side. Let's learn Arabic with pride. Ta stands for a heavy
look at him
sound.
go!
The echoes deep and all around. Ain comes from way down in the throat. Gain gargles like a happy goat. Fa has 1 dot soft and sweet. Kaf has 2, a deeper beat. Kaf is simple, straight and true. Lamb loops around, how do you do? Come along and sing with me. Huroof Tahaji, 1, 2, 3. 28 letters side by side. Let's learn Arabic with pride. Meme is round just like the moon. Noon has a dot, it winks so soon. Ha breathes gentle, soft and slow. Wall hooks around and starts to glow. And last of all, sweet Ya appears. 2 dots below to end our cheers. Alif to Ya, we sang them true. Now Huroof Tahaji belongs to you. We sang the letters one by one. Learning Alif can be so fun. From Alif to Ya, our journey's done. Let's sing again till we won.
Did you have fun learning Arabic letters with us? Then don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe so you never miss a new adventure.
Subscribe!